I'll cut it. Hi, it's Shannon and Jenna with The Busy Bee, and today we have a special treat for you. Today we're going to be making pumpkin dump cake for our Friendsgiving feast. So this recipe was introduced to us by our friend Liz a few years ago when she made it for one of our pumpkin painting parties, and we've been making it every season since, so it's definitely a must try. The first thing you're going to want to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and then you'll prepare a 9x13 baking dish by lightly spreading it with cooking spray. Okay. Then you're going to take a can of pumpkin puree and dump it into a bowl. Next, you're going to add 10 ounces of evaporated milk. Then you're going to add 1 cup of brown sugar. Mix in 3 eggs. And finally, you'll add 3 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice. So then you're going to whisk all of that together. Next, you're going to pour your mix into your prepared pan and just spread it out evenly. So once you have your mixture in your pan, you're going to take an entire box of Filipino mix and you're going to sprinkle it lightly on top. And then you're going to take 1 cup of crushed graham cracker and place that on top as well. Then you're going to take a ½ cup of chocolate chips and you're going to sprinkle those on top of the graham cracker. And then you're going to pour over 2 sticks of melted butter. Finally, you'll place your baking dish in the oven for 45 to 50 minutes until the center is set and the edges are golden brown. So once the dump cake has finished baking, remove from the oven and let set for 10 to 15 minutes before serving. So there you have it, one of our favorite fall recipes from our friend Liz, pumpkin dump cake. If you try it, be sure to like and comment below, let us know what you think of it, and don't forget to subscribe for more recipes and inspiration. We'll see you next time. Bye! Stop! Hey, it's Shannon and Jenna with The Busy Bee, and today we have a special treat for you. Today we're making our pumpkin dump cake for our 50 degrees. And then you'll prepare a baking dish. JV!